everyone. We're here again today for the third and last session or conversation regarding the 5G as a service 5GAS project with the project coordinator Hélio Simeão. You might have noticed we're live from the Smart City Expo World Congress, and today the topic is spectrum. So, Hélio, can you explain to us exactly what spectrum is and what it is used for?
Thank you, Anna. So basically, I think everyone can pretty much, even if you don't know, you or your cell phone uses spectrum. So, for example, a good example is when you're going in your car and you want to tune to a different radio station. So you're basically choosing a specific channel. So basically, we can anything that communicates via the air interface, so with wireless communications, uses spectrum. So your smartphones, your devices at home, the smart meters that we sell also and that we have incorporate in our products, everything pretty much, if it's wireless, needs spectrum to communicate.
Okay, so can we consider spectrum critical for communications? And if yes, why?
Yeah, so anything that requires, especially a lot of talks about 5G and how low latency is required and so on. So basically, anything that you need that can be of critical or in terms of, for example, for public safety that you need to cover in a wide area, you need spectrum for it. You cannot have cables everywhere, so you need wireless communication to do so. So in that sense, it's pretty normal that if you want to cover significant amount of area, that you need wireless, and that's why spectrum is so important.
Thank you. So to understand exactly why we're covering this topic today, can you explain to us why we need to talk about spectrum in relation to the 5G as a service project and what it is used for in this project, and what has been the biggest challenge while acquiring spectrum for 5G as a service?
Yeah, so we have one of the partners of the consortium. It's a Portuguese DSO, so Rede, and we are piloting a low latency use case or a self-healing use case for their energy grid. This is something that, for example, ANACOM, the Portuguese regulator, had spectrum available, which most of the regulators did as well for pilot use cases. But after the spectrum was awarded, it's, how should I put this? We pretty much have no spectrum available. So for us, this was a significant blow. And while in other countries, the regulators have a different type of strategy and approach where they actually have a little bit maybe, or a different vision. So Finland is a perfect example, or even universities have, let's say, a portion of spectrum awarded. So that they actually is innovation. It doesn't, or it's more, it happens more in maybe SMEs, in universities, in research institutes. And the way the spectrum is auctioned right now, it's more tailored to like big internet service providers or mobile network operators. So big companies that have a large amount of capital they can invest. So smaller companies cannot compete with that. So having, or I guess if anything that we can take out of this is that the regulators can and should take a look at projects like 5GAS and other initiatives to be able to foster this ecosystem of innovation, research and innovation. You should give us some love, and that love should come in the form of spectrum.
Thank you, Hélio. Thank you for this brief conversation and for helping us understand the meaning of spectrum and why it is so critical. And I'd like to thank everyone for watching and invite you to watch the first two videos if you haven't yet, and to pay attention to what 5G as a service has been doing. The 5GAS project has a lot to show yet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.